Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Mahesh Mahajan. Attending this stock market technical analysis workshop by Kiran Jadhav Associates have been a really game changer for me. I know it is a theoretical, but yeah, I talk this way only. So the way complex concepts were broken down into some simple and practical steps by Ashish sir, it made it very easy to grasp and apply it. Means I will apply it from tomorrow maybe, or I will analyze the charts from starting from today itself. So beyond the chart reading and strategies, the it is means they also told us about the money management and discipline that will really stood out, and it will help us for the taking the discipline all the way and standing out in the market going forward. So I learned how to protect my capital and management and the risks effectively, and also follow a structured approach about and say about leading means they also talk about the how can I and how can we control our emotions when we are talking about the means trading in the stock market. So just keep it aside and follow the rules. That is, so I will highly recommend the course or this workshop from the Kiran Jadhav Associates to anyone who wants to learn about trading and to enter in the share market or stock market, you can say. Yeah, well, thank you.